So guys, welcome back to my kitchen, welcome back to another video. Guys, today we'll be making some ginger bulla, and here in my bowl I have a little over a pound of flour, and also we will go in with our sugar. This is a cup of sugar. So this is 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This is 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. And also this is half teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of cinnamon. Also we have a quarter teaspoon of salt. So guys, I'm just gonna combine all these ingredients, combining everything together. Ensure everything is properly mixed. And I'll be going in with my ginger. That's 3 tablespoons of ginger. There's a little baking soda left. So then I take everything out. So guys, this is 200 milliliters of water. I've been adding all of that. Also, this is 3 ounces of butter. And this is 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Also guys, I'll be adding a little molasses, and mainly for color. That's about a teaspoon. And also I'll be going in with some browning for color. Not a lot, just maybe a half teaspoon. And I'll be combining everything. So guys, we're making a dough. So guys, if you notice it's a little bit soft, don't worry about that, because we'll be adding flour to our board, so we can cut it out, and also that this softness will be just fine. So guys, after finished kneading, I open a plastic wrap on the counter and I put some flour on it, and I'm gonna put my dough inside of it and allow it to sit for around 20 minutes in the fridge to get it cooled down and all. So it's still a little soft, but that's fine, that's okay. So I'm gonna put this in my refrigerator. So guys, I'm gonna pop this in the fridge for 20 minutes and then we'll get back to the video. So guys, it has been 20 minutes and I have dust my mat with some flour. Also, I have already greased my baking tray and my oven is on at 180 degrees Celsius, and I am going to roll these out. So put this aside. So guys, I'm gonna roll this out to about a 1-inch thickness, or no, a 1/2-inch thickness, because it's gonna raise in the oven. So 1-inch thickness will be just fine. 1/2-inch thickness will be just fine. So guys, as you see, when you put it in the fridge, it isn't that soft when you take it out. So guys, I have a cookie cutter, but this one is a little bit too small, so I'm gonna use, this is a milk container cover, so I'm gonna use this one instead. So guys, this is what it looks like when I'm done, and I made 6 with the large cutter, and I made these with the smaller cutter. So if I had used the smaller cutter, all of them would look like these, but I need some of them to be big, so this is what they are like. And guys, I'm gonna allow this to bake for 20 minutes, so I'm gonna pop this in my oven and allow them to bake for 20 minutes. So guys, stay tuned to see what that looks like. So guys, this is what they looks like when they're finished. I'm just putting some butter over it, brushing them with a little butter. This isn't a must, guys. This is my preference. So guys, there they are, fresh from the oven. And guys, very soft. There you have it. it's still hot because it's just from the oven, just came from the oven, so it's still hot. So guys, I hope you do enjoy this video, and I hope you try out my ginger bulla recipe. And guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you're here for a long time and haven't subscribed as yet, guys, what are you waiting for? So until the next video, bye bye.